Hi, welcome back. After we have installed and set up the server, now it's time to install the WordPress from the web browser. So the first thing to do is just put in the following following address, and make sure you put your own server IP address here. Once that's done, insert your blog title. I call it Internet and Network Services, and your email. I'm gonna call it email@mail.com, and then install WordPress. Once that's done, take a note of your username and the password, and then log in. Put in your username as admin and your password that we had a second ago, and then log in. Now we are successfully installed the WordPress blog into our server, as you can see here. We could do a few customize on the WordPress, such as install some plugins or themes available, or whichever suits you. In my video, I'm going to show you how to add in users in case of many people are using it. Just clicking at add new, and then the username, I'm gonna just call it user, and user f, user s, the email user@user.com. Website is only optional, and password just whatever suits you. And if you give him a role here, could be a subscriber, which he could see the blog and the contents only. Administrator, he has a full access to your blog. Editor, he could edit stuff, not everything. And there's the other two. Once that's done, you could just click and add users. And as I've put him as a subscriber, we could just check here by logging out and then logging in as user and password, and then log in. As you can see on the left side of the dashboard, all you got is the profile and the tools. So take a note of that when I log in again into the admin site. Admin. There you go. So that's the first thing, just showing you how to add in a user. Installing plugins, there has been one issue to install plugins. You need to set up an FTP server from your own server into the WordPress main website server. So if you have that done, you're good to go. If you haven't, check the other videos, you might find out how to use it. If you click in here, plugins, and then as you can see, your plugins already have two different plugins installed by default. But if you'd like to install more than that, you could just go on down here to the plugin browser installer to get more. And for example, go for the featured and just pick any one of them. I just the WordPress stats, and I get this screen, and just clicking on install now. What you're gonna do here is put in the host name, which is your own IP address, 192 the server IP address, excuse me, and then the username, which is the admin. This is a once-off logging in, and then it automatically take it. It's your choice here of connection type, whether you want it a secure connection FTP or just a regular FTP. For the moment, I'm going to leave it as it is and just clicking on proceed. Okay, it seems to have an error here. I just check it out. You need to run the following command inside the cd/www/wordpress and run the following command, which is change owner of the Apache -r Once that's done, let's go back in here now, and it should work. Ta-da! Now, once that we're here, you could just click on an activate plugin, and as you can see, it's over here and it's been activated. But for some reason, once you have that installed, you should register the Internet and Network Service or whatever your blog name into the main website, because they're gonna give you the API key in here. But unfortunately, I haven't done that, so you could do it in your own time. The second thing I'm gonna show you is the import and export blogs. It's actually very good and very handy. So I'm gonna give it an example. I'm gonna use my original blog, which is the akamossy.wordpress.com, and then as you can see, that's the page here. Just take a note of the contents. Just for example, the offline Google Calendar now available to all. Make sure you log in as an admin. And then you go down to tools, and just export, and then you could restrict the author, but I'm gonna just give it all author, and then download the export file into your local machine. Once that's done, we'll go back to our server site that we create, and we'll go to tools. As before I run it, I'm gonna just show you, if you go to your own blog main page, that's all you got is just the hello world. So after we import it, it's gonna be all my stuff from your original blog into here. So scroll down to WordPress and browse the file where we saved, and then upload file and import, and then you have a section and you could map it to existing. If you have like the user that I created, or you could put to the admin or whichever. So I'm just gonna leave it as an admin, and just tick that and submit. Take only a couple of seconds, and all your stuff from that web, the original blog, is gonna be now into your own server, and you could check it out by going into your main blog, and there you go. It's great. The second thing I'm gonna show you now is the themes. We could change themes into the blog. You could even download them from different websites. So at the moment, I'm going to go to appearance. There's only 2 available when you install them, so we had that already. So I'm gonna show you when you use the classic one. Just press on it and then just activate it, and then let's check it out. Isn't that great? Now, one last thing I'm gonna show you is you could actually set up your own RSS files into your server website. So by doing that, you go to the following widget, and you scroll down to the RSS and clicking on add. Then the right hand side here, clicking on edit, you could enter whichever the RSS feed file. I'm gonna just put in the tutorial about the CentOS, and you could give it a title, just how to CentOS, then just done, save changes, and let's check it out. And there you go, just all the RSS for the CentOS.